The next train to depart from the rear of platform 11 will be the 0745 ScotRail service to Newton, calling at Pollokshaws West, Maxwell Park, Shawlands, Pollokshaws East, Langside, Kings Park, Croftfoot, Burnside, Kirkhill and Newton. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The rear of platform 11 for the 0745 ScotRail service to Newton. The front of platform 10 for the 0750 ScotRail service to Neilston, calling at Muirend, Williamwood, White Caves, Patterton and Neilston. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The front of platform 10 for the 0750 ScotRail service to Neilston. The rear of platform 4 for the 0751 ScotRail service to Lanark, calling at Cambuslang, Uddingston, Bells Hill, Motherwell, Shieldmuir, Wishaw, Canloop and Lanark. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The rear of platform 4 for the 0751 ScotRail service to Lanark. The train at the rear of platform 2 is the 0800 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at Carlisle, Lancaster, Preston, Wigan North Western, Warrington Key, Crewe, Wolverhampton, Sagwell Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. This train is formed of 9 coaches. The rear of platform 7 for the 0833 ScotRail service to Cathcart, calling at Pollokshaws West, Maxwell Park, Shawlands, Pollokshaws East, Langside and Cathcart. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The rear of platform 7 for the 0833 ScotRail service to Cathcart. The front of platform 12 for the 0833 ScotRail service to Ardrossan Harbour, calling at Hazelgilmer Street, Johnston, Kilwinning, Stevenson, Saltcoats, Ardrossan South Beach, Ardrossan Town and Ardrossan Harbour. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The next train to depart from the front of platform 15 will be the 0840 ScotRail service to Gourock, calling at Cardonald, Hillington East, Hillington West, Paisley Gilmer Street, Paisley St James, Bishopton, Langbank, Woodhall, Port Glasgow, Hoxton, Catsteig, Greenock Central, Greenock West, Fort Matilda and Gourock. This train is This train is formed of 3 coaches. The rear of platform 12 for the 1112 ScotRail service to Paisley Canal.
The next train at platform 17 will be the 1003 service to Dalmuir, calling at Anderston Exhibition Centre, Partick, Hindland, Anniesland, Westerton, Drumchapel, Drumrye, Singer and Dalmuir. The train arriving at platform 17 is the 1003 service to Dalmuir. The next train at platform 16 will be the 957 service to Whifflet, calling at Argyll Street, Bridgeton, Dalmarnock, Rutherglen, Carmyle, Mount Vernon, Baillieston, Bargedy, Kirkwood and Whifflet. The next train at platform 17 will be the 1109 service to Milngavie, calling at Anderston Exhibition Centre, Partick, Hindland, Anniesland, Westerton, Bearsden, Hillfoot and Milngavie. The train arriving at platform 17 is the 1109 service to Milngavie. The train arriving at platform 16 is the 1117 service to Larkhall. The next train at platform 17 will be the 11:25 service to Dalmuir, calling at Anderston Exhibition Centre, Partick, Hindland, Jordan Hill, Scotstoun Hill, Garskaden, Yoker, Clydebank and Dalmuir.
The next train to depart from the rear of platform 14 will be the 07:30 ScotRail service to Ayr, calling at Peasley Street, Johnston, Kilwinning, Irvine, Barassi, Troon, Prestwick International Airport, Prestwick Town, Luton on Ayr and Ayr. This train is formed of 7 coaches. The rear of platform 14 for the 07:30 ScotRail service to Ayr.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, sorted.
The next train to depart from the rear of platform 5 will be the 07:34 ScotRail service to Motherwell, calling at Carlisle, Mount Vernon, Bailston, Bargedy, Kirkwood, Whifflet and Motherwell. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The rear of platform 5 for the 07:34 ScotRail service to Motherwell. The next train to depart from the rear of platform 7 will be the 07:35 ScotRail service to Maidstone, calling at Pollokshields East, Queen's Park, Cross Hill, Mount Florida, Cathcart, Muir End, Williamwood, White Craigs, Patterton and Maidstone. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The rear of platform 7 for the 07:35 ScotRail service to Maidstone. The next bus to depart from will be the 07:35 Avanti West Coast service to Carlisle, calling at Carlisle only. For the 07:35 Avanti West Coast service to Carlisle.
If you think someone might need help, trust your instincts and start a conversation. A simple question such as, "Hi, where can I get a coffee?" could save a life. Find out more at samaritans.org/small talk saves lives.
Due to engineering works on the West Coast Main Line today, a limited train service and replacement buses will operate between Glasgow Central and Carlisle for onward connections. Replacement buses will depart from Wellington Street. Please see main departure board for Carlisle bus and train times.
The next train to depart from the front of platform 12 will be the 07:40 ScotRail service to Guruk, calling at Cardonald, Hillington East, Hillington West, Paisley Street, Paisley St James, Bishopton, Linebank, Woodhall, Port Glasgow, Boxton, Capsdyke, Greenock Central, Greenock West, Fort Matilda and Guruk. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The front of platform 12 for the 07:40 ScotRail service to Guruk. The next train to depart from the rear of platform 8 will be the 07:45 ScotRail service to Larkham, calling at Pollokshields West, Maxwell Park, Shawlands, Pollokshields East, Lineside, Kings Park, Croftfoot, Burnside, Kirkhill, Newton, Blantyre, Hamilton West, Hamilton Central, Chapel Meriton and Blackburn. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The rear of platform 8 for the 07:45 ScotRail service to Blackburn.